Once upon a time, in a kingdom nestled between towering mountains and lush forests, there lived a kind-hearted princess named Amelia. Princess Amilia was known far and wide for her generosity and compassion towards everyone in the kingdom, from the noblest lords to the humblest villagers. One sunny morning, as Princess Amilia walked through the market square, she noticed a poor beggar sitting by the fountain, looking tired and hungry. Without hesitation, she approached him with a warm smile and offered him a pouch filled with coins. The beggar, surprised by her kindness, thanked her profusely and promised to use the money wisely. As days passed, Princess Amilia continued to perform acts of kindness throughout the kingdom. She visited orphanages, hospitals, and even spent time with the elderly in the castle's village. Her father, the wise King Alexander, observed her actions with pride but also with concern. One evening, King Alexander called his daughter to his chamber. "My dear Amelia," he began gently, "I am incredibly proud of your compassionate heart. However, I worry that not everyone in our kingdom may have pure intentions. Some may take advantage of your kindness." Princess Amilia listened attentively, understanding her father's concerns. She pondered his words deeply that night. The next morning, she decided to seek advice from the kingdom's oldest advisor, the wise old sage who lived in the enchanted forest at the edge of the kingdom. The sage welcomed Princess Amilia warmly and listened to her concerns. He smiled kindly and said, "My dear princess, kindness is a gift, but wisdom is its companion. It is important to give with an open heart, but also to discern when and how to give. True kindness lies not only in giving but in understanding the needs and intentions of others." Princess Amilia thanked the sage for his wise words and returned to the castle with a newfound understanding. She continued to be generous and kind, but now she also paid attention to the needs of her people and learned to distinguish those who genuinely needed help from those who sought to take advantage of her kindness. As the years went by, Princess Amilia grew into a wise and beloved ruler. Her kingdom flourished under her reign, and her people admired her not only for her kindness but also for her wisdom and discernment. And from that day on, the kingdom remembered the tale of Princess Amilia, who taught them that true kindness is not just in giving, but in giving wisely. The moral of the story: kindness is a noble virtue, but it becomes even more powerful when coupled with wisdom and discernment.